Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the phone ready. Update iOS and free enough space, because ProRes Log eats storage quickly. Next, open camera and enable ProRes in formats, then pick a 4K frame rate that balances quality and file size. Once done, go to camera settings and turn on the log profile or log-like color setting so you capture flat highlights and shadows. Make sure to switch to manual exposure lock when you enter the scene to preserve the log latitude. Now you shoot with purpose. Set manual exposure or lock auto exposure to avoid sudden shifts. Aim to protect highlights by underexposing slightly, often around 1/3 to 1 stop down. Also establish white balance manually with a gray card or Kelvin value so skin tones track predictably in post. Stabilize with a tripod or gimbal to keep motion consistent, and watch zebras or the histogram to avoid clipping. Finally, log captures look flat. Expect to add contrast later, so preserve dynamic range while recording. Finish by importing the ProRes log clips into an NLE that accepts log transforms. Apply a camera LUT as a starting point, then adjust contrast, highlights, and shadow detail to taste. Make sure to correct white balance after the LUT so colors read naturally, and increase saturation carefully to avoid clipping. If your exported image looks noisy, apply a light denoise pass and review your exposure workflow. Underexposure creates noise, so raise basic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.